Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this Dollar Tree review and demo. We're going to be reviewing the nail art stencil stickers from Sassy-n-Chic from the Dollar Tree. You get 10 count stencils in each pack. These are like their version of a vinyl, I guess. And we're going to start by having painted, completely dried nails. I painted those last night and got up, so they're dry, and we're using Wet n Wild's black cream nail polish to do so. We also need a top coat of some kind, and you're also going to need if you're following this demo, you're going to need a couple sponges, a couple nail polishes to sponge with or ombre with. So I'm using a Color Club one and a Spectrum Cosmetics one, and a green and a blue. Later I'm using a green and a yellow. And of course you're going to need your stencils and some latex tape. Here are the directions. You can pause it here, and I have to be completely honest, I did not wait for the nail polish to completely dry before I peeled them off, but it still worked out anyways. And just applying that latex tape there. I do think that these are a good deal for $1. And because my nails are short right now, I can get away with cutting them in half and using one stencil for 2 nails, which is I thought was pretty neat, because they're pretty big, and if you have long nails, they'll work for you as well. So you just literally place it over your polished nail wherever you want, however you want. It doesn't even have to cover the full nail. You could be doing certain designs with these or whatever. I especially love these striped ones. They remind me of like a candy cane. I really like them. I applied the striped ones on 3 of my fingers: the thumb, the middle, and the pinky. And well, I guess technically the thumb's not a finger, right? But that's where they were applied. Now I'm applying polish to a sponge, and I'm just gonna sponge an ombre on over top of the stencil, or you can use nail polish and apply it straight over the stencil, wait for it to dry and peel off. But I like the idea of an ombre. Honestly, I wish I would have chose different shades to ombre with over top of the black. I thought they would be brighter. So it took several spongings to get this to actually show up. But in the end, I thought it came out really beautiful. I took tweezers and I peeled the stencil off. How easy is that? And like I said, I didn't wait for it to fully dry, but it still came out very nice, and I'm very pleased with it. I do recommend these stencils, you guys. They're really awesome, especially for nail art beginners, or even someone who's been in nail art for a long time like myself. I can appreciate this kind of thing. Now the next stencil is from the other pack that we had, so I wanted to use stencils from both packs. And this one reminds me, it's some kind of like wavy design, but it reminds me of like a cable knit kind of sweater. So I think this one will be really nice for the holidays, and you may see another upcoming design with this one. And like I said, a green and a yellow and another sponge. And we're going to sponge this on as well. You just apply it to your sponge, let it soak in for a second, and then start sponging your ombre onto your nail. Over and over and over again until you get the opaqueness you would like, or you just get the fade that you want. You know, whatever comes first, whatever your heart's desire with this, you can go wild with it. Now, this design, there was a lot of wider lines and space in the vinyl, so one of them I feel like came out really nice when I peeled it off, and the other one was a bit off. I mean, it's really not a big deal that one of the nails didn't come out perfect when I peeled the vinyl out. Out of 5 nails, it still looks great. You can still tell what was going on there. Next time I should try letting the polish dry, but regular vinyls, you don't let the polish dry, so that's kind of what I was, you know, going after there. And but I really love how they turned out. I think these vinyls worked great. They actually are pretty amazing, especially if you love nail art. Cheap, 10. If you have short nails, that makes 20 designs, because you can cut them in half. I highly recommend trying these out from the Dollar Tree, especially if you love nail art. Like I said, also beginner status. These are so easy to do, so easy to work with, and you have a beautiful manicure. As always, we have to seal in our design, so I'm going to top coat that. And I just love how they came out, especially the striped ones. I do like that they have about 4 packs to choose from at the Dollar Tree as well. There's 2 other packs I didn't get. They have like single stencils, like there's a zebra print one and there's like one with like bows and stuff on it. Overall, these were a great product, easy to use, follow the directions, and for $1 and what they are, definitely give them a try. I hope you guys enjoyed the Dollar Tree review. Stay tuned for lots more Dollar Tree reviews coming up. Check the description box for a ton of Dollar Tree links. Thank you guys again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like the video if you haven't already.